Tertiary education is not easy. It comes with its own challenges and frustrations. And sometimes you feel like your voice is not being heard and you are left with no option than to strike. Striking. What good does it do if you will end up bending the only thing that you have, your future? What if I were to tell you that you have a choice? A voice, a smart way to strike responsibly, to strike with freedom, to strike with power. To ensure that your voice is not just another voice in the background, to strike with X, to strike for the leader you want. Because tertiary education, despite all its challenges, it is your freedom, your choice. It is your future to change your life, to pave your future, to preserve it. Strike smart and let your voice be heard.